Carpal tunnel syndrome is something we work with every day at the Wellbridge Clinic. I want to share a quick story, and then we'll go over a self-massage that I recommend for neck and shoulder pain, whiplash injuries, stress, and especially for carpal tunnel. So my uncle is an orthopedic surgeon, and he is a hand specialist. He's helped so many people over his career, and he's done probably thousands of carpal tunnel surgeries. Now the trick is that carpal tunnel starts with neck pain and tension. It has nothing to do with our hands at the beginning. As you might imagine, our family holidays could get a little tense when Michael and I would disagree with how to structure carpal tunnel treatments. This is what makes a good acupuncturist different. We help our patients by seeing the system, not just the symptoms. If we only look at the hand, we miss the cause of the problem. Carpal tunnel syndrome shows up in people that work at a desk: engineers, lawyers, mechanics, construction workers, artists, electricians, professors, nurses, doctors, hairstylists, everybody. So what do they all have in common? Posture problems, muscle tension, and pain. Carpal tunnel syndrome is numbness and tingling, pain, cold hands and fingers, and sometimes wasting away of the muscles of the hand. Think of the hand like a garden. Gardens need watering, right? We need the hose to get to the water to the garden. Now think of the garden hose as our nerves and our cardiovascular system. That circulation, what happens if you get a kink in it? Does the garden get watered? What happens to a dry garden? It wilts, right? That wilting feels like numbness, tingling, pain, cold, and over the years, those muscles begin to shrink and atrophy. So when people have carpal tunnel syndrome or sciatica, it is your medical provider's job to find out why the garden isn't getting watered. Acupuncture helps those muscles to relax so the nerve and the blood vessels are moving and circulating freely. I know some of you might be thinking, acupuncture, just not into needles. But in reality, acupuncture is relaxing, and many people actually fall asleep during their treatment. Before I go, I want to share this quick self-massage for tight neck and shoulders, especially for carpal tunnel syndrome. I use this massage to help calm the nervous system and reduce anxiety. We're going to be working with the neck muscles. As a precaution, if anything causes discomfort, please stop and have someone get you checked out, like your friendly neighborhood acupuncturist at the Wellbridge Clinic. Let's begin. We're going to begin by sitting or standing in a nice upright position that is relaxed but not sloppy. I'm stacking my posture here. Next, I'm extending my neck by looking upward, slightly, and then back at an angle. Again, always making sure everything is comfortable. Now I'm going to reach across the body and place my thumb behind my ear, and my fingers are reaching back to the back of my neck. I let my other arm drop, and then I slide my hand down gently. As I slide, my hand is flat like a suction cup, feeling that stretch through here, and I'm breathing deeply into the stretch. I'm not pulling, I'm sliding down, and less is more. Breathe into it by filling your chest with a breath, and I can feel that stretch down into my ribs. Keep in mind, there shouldn't be any feeling of sharp pain, no numbness, no tingling. If there is, I would stop and make an appointment with a qualified medical provider. I'll do that 3 to 5 times on each side, and then finish up by stretching out my arms to make sure that the garden is watered. This stretch, by the way, is an important stretch that I recommend for people that have been in a car accident, because these muscles that we're working with are infamous for causing problems after whiplash injuries. A couple of other bonus benefits are that this stretch can help with things like cold hands, Raynaud syndrome. This is massaging the lymph, and we can get some allergy relief and some drainage. This is also good for good old neck tension, and the real magic is stretching the muscles that are over the vagus nerve. And the vagus nerve is the master nerve that powerfully influences our ability to relax and breathe deeply. I'll go into that in another video, but in the meantime, please like, share, subscribe. And as always, our team at the Wellbridge Clinic is here in Portland, Oregon, and we're always available with the expertise that everyone should expect. Call or schedule online from our website, wellbridgeclinic.com. Take care, everybody. Thank you.